Hi everyone, my name is Victoria Wakili.
I'm Chloe Jade.
I'm Jari. I'm so excited to show you how to use the Bare More Ouch Less
Wax Pearl Kit by Completely Bare. Step 1, get completely clean.
Cleanse the area with soap and water and dry well. Any lotions or makeup on the skin may prevent the wax from removing your hair.
Step 2, size matters. For best results, hair should be 1/4 inch in length. If hair is longer than 3/4 of an inch, trim with safety scissors.
It's time to heat things up in step 3. You want to make sure you're reading all of your instructions first.
Take the pouch out of the reusable jar and pour 1 ounce to 2 ounces of wax pearls into the jar. Do not use any other jar as it could melt and deform. Don't use all wax pearls at once and don't cover the jar while heating in the microwave. Place the jar in the center of the microwave and heat on high according to the table in the instructions. Once heated, leave the jar in the microwave for 60 seconds. Carefully remove the jar. If the jar is too hot, don't touch it. Wait until it cools.
Using one of the enclosed spatulas, carefully stir the wax until it's thoroughly mixed. Ideally, the wax will be a taffy-like consistency, slowly running off the spatula like thick honey. If the wax is too thick, remove the spatula and return the jar of wax to the microwave for 30 seconds.
Once again, wait 60 seconds until the jar is comfortable to the touch before stirring completely. Continue to heat 30 seconds, wait 60 seconds, and stir until a taffy-like consistency is achieved. Use caution when handling the wax as the contents can be extremely hot.
Step 4, it's time to put it to the test. Before you begin, always check the temperature of the wax.
If the liquid wax appears thin and runs off easily, the wax is too hot. Stir the wax until it becomes thick enough. Apply a small dab to the inside of your wrist and make sure it is a comfortable temperature. Now we are good to go.
Step 5, baby your skin. Sprinkle powder on the area to be waxed. Baby powder or cornstarch will do the trick. Dust off any excess powder.
Step 6, wax on. Dip the spatula into the wax. Apply in the same direction of your hair growth and spread a thick, even layer in strips, as thick as a banana peel. Allow the wax to harden for about 60 seconds until it is plasticky but not sticky.
Step 7, wax off. Hold the skin tight, flick the lower part of the wax strip upward and pull off against hair growth, staying close to skin.
Step 8, and repeat. Repeat steps 5 through 7 until all hair is removed. Allow the skin to cool before reapplying the wax.
Step 9, completely hair-free. When waxing is complete, use the completely off post-wax towelette to remove any excess wax.
Some people like body hair, but that's just not me. For anywhere I want to be completely bare, I use Bare More Ouch Less Wax Pearl Kit.
Okay, so I'm so obsessed with the Bare More Ouch Less Wax Pearl Kit, but Completely Bare has so many other products that work for hair removal, and they're vegan and cruelty-free.
I hope you enjoyed this how-to. For more information about the product, head over to completelybare.com.
For anywhere you want to be.
Completely bare.
Completely bare.
Completely bare.